Strange, but real. New stories every night. Subscribe and follow me.
Every night at 11:47 p.m., a train stopped at an abandoned platform. No lights, no passengers, and it was never on the schedule. In the winter of 2020, a university student named Noah moved into a small apartment near an old railway station. The station had been closed for years. No announcements, no staff, no trains. At least, that's what everyone said. But on his third night there, at exactly 11:47 p.m., Noah heard something strange. A train. Metal wheels grinding, brakes screaming. He looked out his window. Lights flooded the empty platform. A train had stopped, but no doors opened, no passengers got off. After 30 seconds, it left. The next night, same time, same sound, same empty train. Noah asked his landlord. "There are no trains there," the man said. "Tracks were disconnected years ago." But the sound continued every night, 11:47 p.m. One night, curiosity won. Noah put on his coat and walked to the station. Snow covered the tracks, footprints untouched. He waited. 11:47. The air vibrated. Lights appeared from the darkness. The train arrived. But something was wrong. No engine number, no company logo, no driver. And the windows were filled with people. Hundreds of them, standing silently, staring. Noah stepped closer. A door opened. A voice said, "Get on." His heart raced. "Where is this going?" he asked. The voice replied, "Home." Before he could answer, the doors closed. The train pulled away. The platform fell silent. The next morning, Noah checked the news. Nothing. No reports, no delays, no accidents. But at the local library, he found something strange. An old newspaper from 1952. Headline: "Midnight train derails near old station. 73 dead." Time of departure: 11:47 p.m. Same station, same tracks, same night. Noah never heard the train again. But sometimes, when the city is quiet, he still checks the clock at 11:47, just in case. Strange, but real.